Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a low sleek bun on your natural hair using no gel. And I'm going to do this bun on old dry hair, so I'm going to make sure that I moisturize my hair really well before I put it into the bun. And for this style, I'm going to need hair elastics, the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls leave-in, a brush, and a wide tooth comb for my side part. First, I'm using the wide tooth comb to do a deep side part, and you want to make sure to be really gentle when doing this, especially if your hair tangles really easily like mine does. Next, I'm wetting all of my hair before putting any product in it. Then I'm adding the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls all over my hair. I'm also finger detangling my hair as I add the product so that it will be easier to slick down my hair into the bun. And I love the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls because it's a lightweight product, but it also has great hold. And it also gives you a lot of slip and moisture. And this is only my second time purchasing this product, but it's definitely become one of my new favorite natural hair products. And then I'm adding a little more water and forming my hair into a low ponytail. Next, I'm twisting the ponytail away from the side part and then twisting my hair into a bun and securing the bun with an elastic. Then I'm adding more product and water to slick down my hair. And I also always wet the brush before brushing my hair down, and this helps me to get a really slick look. And lastly, I'm securing my hair with bobby pins. And this was the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!